I read about highly spiritual monks investigating potentially dangerous religious areas. It may have been a temple thought cursed by a dark entity, or a church that needed to be blessed by a grounded, focused force like themselves. The monks, however possible, never go it alone though. Instead, one brave monk leads the group into the dangerous area. The other members begin tying a rope tightly around the waist of the leader and then, ever so carefully, clenching their hands around the lagging rope, embracing themselves as the leader opened the door. They remain outside as the brave monk goes inside. The theory is this: if things get out of hand, then the group pulls the lead monk back to safety. He had an out, and the monk felt more free to explore, as he knew he could be pulled out of a jam. He relaxed. From my reading, this is why certain monk sects to this day still wear frayed ropes around their cloth. It's not just practical to keep their loincloth intact, but a subtle reminder that they are always protected by the group. They are never lost. They are alone, but never abandoned. Understanding your creative power, value, and service is your consistent source. You're a monk's rope, your allies on this journey. It is the Ouroboros, the mythical snake eating its own tail. It is nourished forever. Imagine never retiring, not because you need to work to live, but because you live to work.